Hey YouTube fam, it's your girl, Raquel, aka Lilcutenurse, and I'm back, guys, with another video. It's my February IPSY $25 Glam box. If you guys are not familiar, which I know most of you probably are, yes, this is a $25 a month subscription box, and you get 5 to 6 items a month, all full size. All full size. That's why I don't do the deluxe, what is it, I don't know. I guess it's the IPSY premium size box, and I have my trusty scalpel this time, guys. I don't do the deluxe for IPSY because you get the deluxe sample sizes in the $50 box. So I really like the $25 box. It does what I need to do for me. And this month, for whatever reason, I didn't get a card. This just says, "Hey, you look great today." That's it. Happy Valentine's Day. But the card that has the prices is not in here. I don't know what happened with that. Y'all know what I forgot to tell y'all about in my BoxyCharm unboxing is, I know this is off the subject, but I need to tell y'all. For whatever reason, my video, if y'all noticed at the end, if you watched it to the end, it just kind of cut off. I thought I was recording and I wasn't. So I had told you guys about this Natasha Denona Glow All Over Glow. BoxyCharm sent me this as a replacement for the 2 Ciate London highlighters I got in December. And I was like, wow, it just came unexpected. I didn't know what they were going to do, but this is what it looks like. And I did try it out yesterday in that video, but I'll do a get ready with me using my Boxy and IPSY stuff and let y'all see how it looks. But yeah, I was like, okay, Boxy, you forgiven. It's okay. You ain't did nothing wrong. Okay. And another thing I noticed, I think this is the queen that I got in my Boxy box this month. And this is the queen lipstick that I got in my IPSY box last month. And I'm like, wait a minute. I knew I'd seen this before. This is what it looks like. The one that I got in Boxy, and I love it. I love it. I'm not mad. I'm just, noticing the comparison. And this is a nudie shade that I got in IPSY last month. So I'm thinking they collaborate with some of the same companies. I'm not mad because I get 2 of the lip glosses to try that I like. I really like them. That's the good upside. And I get 2 different shades. So yeah, I'm happy with that. See? Come on, pick up, will you? I'm sorry, guys. It's just not going to pick up so you can see that. But anyway, let's jump in the box and see what we got. Oh, I remember now. I did order, with my points, these 2 things. And I really forgot about them because I thought they would come separately instead of waiting for the February box to come. I ordered this sometime in January. Yeah, in January. Whenever their little version of IPSY store opened and I could use my IPSY points. And these are the, what is this? What is Madison Miller? That's the Madison Miller highlight by Ofra and the Madison Miller lip gloss. It's the collaboration, Ofra collaboration that Madison Miller on YouTube did with Ofra. And I was like, let me check that out. That's a real blingy light highlighter. Light, I know. But I still wanted to try it. See, do I have a brush anywhere nearby? And I don't, of course, other than my little, I'm going to use it just to see, will this work? Ooh. Ooh. Okay, it's a little light, but it looks like if I blend it in, ooh, that was too much. That was too much. But it's not glittery. And if I blend it in, it'll work for me. I think it will. Okay. I don't want any more highlights, but I just wanted to try this. And the lip gloss is, let me tell y'all what shade this is. This is Moon Dance. This is in Moon Dance. And the lip gloss is Smiley 4. That's what it looks like. I don't know. I can't really see it, y'all. It's mixing with the orange, but that's what it looks like close up. And I'll put some right here. It's just like a real nudie peach. Come on. Yeah, y'all see it right there? It's just a nude peach. And I was like, I want to try that. So I used my points to get that. So now we can get into the box. The first thing I see in here is pomegranate superfood regenerating sleeping mask. Looks like Poe. I'm not sure. I've never heard of this. Apothecary Natural Collection. Dr. Botanical. This product says that it's vegan, cruelty-free, and 98% natural. I don't know about you guys, but I don't think I've ever heard of Dr. Botanicals. Okay. I'm not mad at this. It's a little bottle of pomegranate superfood is what it looks like. I'm not going to open it, y'all, because I got that huge Laneige Sika night sleeping mask open. So I'm just going to put this in my box of skincare until I get to it. I don't want it to go bad. So I'm cool with that. Can't tell y'all the price because I didn't get a little thing that shows me the price. And then in here, I got an Il Makiage eyeliner, which again, I did get this last month in my BoxyCharm box. And I do like it, but I already got the one open from last month. I used it yesterday. Yes, it's the exact same one. It's really black. I would show you guys. If you didn't see my last month base box BoxyCharm unboxing, it's in there. This is where I got this from, and I do like it. That's why I'm not going to open it, because I don't want it to dry up. I want to have too many of these open. Y'all know what I'm saying, right? Okay. And then found it. I was about to get up, but I found it. My Il Makiage. This is the new one in here. And this is the one that I was telling y'all about that I got in BoxyCharm. I want to show you how black it is. It's really black. Really black. Yeah. So I'm going to be happy with that. I knew if I was me and somebody was telling me about a product, I would want to see it. And they are the exact same item. Now I can't get this one out. Exact same thing. And both of them are in black. Oh, I opened that and didn't want to. So I got two open anyway. So yeah, I'm not mad at them because I like them and I think that they're good. Good. So yeah, hopefully it won't dry out because I opened it. And I can tell the difference because this one is already kind of dirty. All right, and the next thing I got in here is the Dominique Cosmetics Sweater Well palette. I'm happy to have that. I actually had this in my cart to purchase, so when this popped up as a choice, this was a choice item in IPSY, I jumped on it. I like this. It feels like it's textured like the sweater, but it's cardboard. It doesn't feel like cloth. So let me let y'all see these palettes. This is what a little tiny mirror, and this is what the colors look like. Yeah, I'll put this in my get ready with me to use my BoxyCharm IPSY stuff. I'll think of something so y'all know that that's what it is. Yeah, this is pretty. I think I want to use that dark purple, that light purple, and maybe that brown as a transition shade. Yeah, I'm gonna put this in a box to get used and just use all BoxyCharm IPSY stuff. I think that'll be a great video. There's a bag in here. I guess they start putting these in all of the IPSY. Oh, that's neat. It's got a little IPSY stitched in there. In all the IPSY Glam boxes. Now, at first they didn't, but looks like it's going to be an every month thing. So, that's cool. I got a lot of these because I was collecting them when I had the $10 one before I canceled it. Okay, we only got 2 more items to go, guys. I have a, Yeah, and I just ordered some brushes on the Boxy pop-up. I know these are brushes because I watch videos too, and I've been stocking this box. And I was hoping to get these brushes. This cute little envelope. I got an abundance of brushes. I do. I just ordered some more brushes, and then I got brushes in my BoxyCharm. This is what they look like. Let me take the plastic off. Okay, guys, we got a flat foundation brush. What it looks like. Looks like it's gonna be firm enough just for that purpose. Okay. We have a angled contour blush. That's what it looks like. I like the handles. Yeah, I got makeup on my nails. Ignore that, okay? That's my foundation. I haven't been digging in mud, I promise. Yeah, I like the definition of that. And then we have a shadow brush. That's what it looks like. I like the bristles on these. They feel really good. And I like the texture of the, I like this. That's on the handles. I like this. And this is it says a kabuki brush. Come on. I can't tell y'all the name. Oh, it says La Roche. I don't know what the retail, come on, value of these brushes are, but this is what it looks like. And then we have a shadow brush. What it looks like. I like these. I like the way they feel. And then we have a tapered blending brush, and it's small size, perfect for my small eyes. Just perfect. That's what it looks like. Okay, I'm happy so far with this box. This $25 box got me rocking, because the last thing I got in here, and this was the Wonder Nude Illusion Foundation. This is the first foundation, I think, for Wonder Beauty, so I'm kind of excited to use it, and the shades were limited. So I just went with, I think this is Deep Rich. I don't know. It may be too dark. I'll try it by itself, but you know, it's a foundation, and I got lots of foundations, and I can always mix it. So I will put it in my box to go with the subscription box stuff to try out. Hopefully I'll get that video done so we can talk about this stuff. I'm just really excited. This box from the brushes, I wish I knew. I can't tell you guys how much, but I'm pretty sure they probably was expensive from this bougie envelope that they came in. So yeah, and that's all that I got in my IPSY subscription box this month. I hope you guys are having a great, wonderful Sunday. Now I'm going to quit talking so I can get this video up so y'all can see it. Alright, y'all stay blessed, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all. Yeah, I said video.